This unknown rapper is about to perform in front of 5,000 people with one of the UK's biggest artists, and he's terrified.
All right.
If this goes well, he'll complete a 9-month transformation from a doubtful stranger I met on the streets to a confident rapper finally living his dream. But if this performance goes badly, he might never believe he's good enough to perform again.
You ready?
Ready, man.
So how does someone who's always chased the next big thing handle the one opportunity he can't walk away from? First, let me take you back to where it all started. Every day I meet strangers and ask them one simple question that could change everything.
What's your dream?
What's my dream? When I was younger, I wanted to help people, and I started an organisation to do just that. I wanted to make music as well, but I started doing that.
What can you do? What's the music?
I've wrote a rap song. I'm going to write a video too.
Can you do the rap song now?
No, I don't want to do it right now.
Come on, this.
No, man, I don't
want to do it. Come on,
it's organic. I'm not ready at all.
Good, best time. Yeah. Just do it.
It's like they left me out to dry. All that talk is dead, I left it somewhere in the sky. They're talking about me, but really, why would I? If I'm an animal, I'd be a goat. You was an animal, yeah, we know. A rat ass hater, and that's something.
Push through fear, man. You pushed through fear. Do it. You did it.
I did it.
You did it. What's your name? Who knows?
Giles.
It's
Yeah, my
going to be
name's
bigger than
Giles.
Stormzy. It's going to help even more people.
Giles pushed past his fear, but that was nothing compared to what was coming up for him. So after meeting Giles in London, I sent my team to find out a little bit more about him and why he wasn't pursuing his dream.
My name is Giles. My dream is to be able to express myself creatively, and the avenue for me to do that is music. I've always liked music. From when I was 12, 13, secondary school, I figured out that I could use it as an avenue to express myself. But then when I got to my later teen years, kind of figuring out what I wanted to do career-wise, I just decided to get into business instead and kind of parked the idea until further notice. I got to a stage probably in my 20s where eventually business stuff started working out for me, and I became a bit more reserved because you don't want to lose what you've got. You stop venturing out, and I stopped reading, and a bit depressed, but it's a type of depression that no one will understand because you've got some things going for you, but only you know you could be doing more.
Giles had a dream, but a stable career had kept pulling him away from it. Fortunately for Giles, that was all about to change.
We're going to set Giles a challenge to push through his fear and do something he's scared to do. But if he does it, one more chance of his dream coming true. We're going to surprise him, and he's got to go into the street and do his thing. This is for you, man. What do you think it is?
It's a speaker.
All right, what do speakers do?
All right, cool. So the challenge is I'm going to be outside performing.
I want you to push through your fear, get into the public eye, do some crazy shit.
All right, cool.
You've got to break the rules. You ready?
Ready as I can never be, I guess. Yeah,
All right, let's do this. I need to ask you all a favour, to give him some support, because no one can make it on your own.
Look at that preacher was one liner. Only one time, but that's a minor. Only one time now he's a tutor. Only one time now he's a preacher. Hey Junior, why you so eager? One interview just for the ninja. That first time there could have been luck. Do it again, that's never too much. And that's it.
Yay!
Man, I feel good. We're gonna go break the rules. I never like following the rules anyway, so.
Giles has proven he was ready to go all in, but if he was serious about becoming a rapper, he needed somewhere to make music. So he surprised him with a studio of his own, ready for his second challenge.
All right, got a new challenge for you.
New challenge.
Okay, so you've got to write your own song in 4 hours. Let's go. Come on then, let's do it.
So he took Giles into the studio, introduced him to a music producer, an audio engineer, and the countdown started.
I was a youth, Eminem was my favourite rapper. For the UK, Tiny Temper, Aftershock, all them lot, the whole UK scene. Yeah, for timing wise, how quickly could we write?
Yeah, we can cook from scratch, bro.
I like this, you know.
Yeah. Then what, we can load this one.
Getting focused. I'm on a cop, they didn't notice.
Now, Giles has been through a lot today. We've had him performing on the streets and start to go all in on his dream. And now I've tasked him with making a hit song in just 4 hours. So I thought I'd call on a friend to give him some guidance, and you might know his name.
Don't lose yourself, trying to break that spell. Playing cards is style, but this music helps. What's fake, what's real? Friendship says so.
Yo, look who's here.
What you saying, my brother, man? Pleasure to meet you, man.
To meet you too, bro.
Cool, man. Been a fan
happening,
for a
man?
long time, man. Simon set us with a challenge. You have to try and make a hit in 2 hours.
A hit in 2 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's ambitious.
Simon's on your case.
Yeah, man.
But you know what I've realised? When you're actually not trying, that's sometimes when you end up making a mad thing, bro.
How quick was Pass out?
Pass Out was one day. I think there's an element of like creating art where you have to kind of put as much of yourself into it as you possibly can.
Yeah.
Like literally, bro, everything. Basically, get comfortable with being uncomfortable.
It's unfinished.
Wicked. Is it feeling like a hit yet?
I mean, I like the song. I like it.
You know, you tell us.
Get it in focus, get it in focus. I'm on a cock back, they didn't notice. We gonna spray that down like it's an ocean. Never expected it, that's a commotion. Get it in focus, get it in focus. I'm on a cock back, they didn't notice.
Yeah, sounding cold, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, and you got clarity and cadence, bro. Very nice. Do you know what else I can do for you, yeah? Seeing as Simon set this up for you for 2 hours, whenever you want to come back again and be in here a bit longer, let's say like 8 hours or whatever, let me know. I'll pattern it, bro.
Appreciate it.
All right, my guy. Well, I'll let you get on with it.
So after receiving some guidance from Tiny Temper, Giles finished his 4-hour song.
You're very talented.
No, thank you, my bro.
Hear it still.
Thank you, bro. I
For you,
appreciate
it's
it.
just about locking in, bro.
And I had some exciting news for him.
Did it, man? How do you feel?
Good. I feel good.
Tiny Temper was super impressed with you.
Yeah.
And as he was leaving, Tiny Temper invited you to come on stage with him at his next gig in 2 weeks' time. And so, no pressure.
Sure, we have to make sure we don't let him down.
As a reward for going all in, I set Giles up with 3 sessions with celebrity vocal coach Cece Sammy. She's worked with the BBC, ITV, the Brit Awards and the Grammy Awards, coaching celebrities across London and LA.
You have audience there.
Right.
Audience there. Eyes.
The business moves, it's 3D. Don't brag, I keep it GG. I felt ready before, but now I just feel like I'm ready and I've got the professional knowledge of how to do it. So I'm excited to get on stage and put everything to practice in a real scenario.
This is the method to my madness. Put him in every strange situation and he's got to deliver.
Giles wasn't just trading his voice, he was building Paragon into something real, and part of that meant getting him properly set up, starting with his own merch store. Because when you're an artist like Giles or building your own business, it comes down to the same thing: customers and fans finding you and trusting what they find. If they see a long, clunky domain, you can kiss that sale goodbye. And that's where .online comes in, the perfect domain extension for business websites. With most good .coms taken, .online gives Giles the chance at a clean, credible domain name, something like the Paragon.online. From artists to service providers to e-commerce sellers, millions of businesses like his trust and use .online domain names. And because the word online is searched over 500 million times a month, having it in your domain name gives your website more visibility on search engines. You can get a .online domain at all major website builders and domain name providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Squarespace and Lovable. But if you want a special deal for the first year, go to the link on my screen or in the description below and get a .online domain for just 99 cents today. And with Giles's online home sorted, it was time to return to the biggest challenge of his journey.
How are we feeling?
You know what, yeah, because I've been doing vocal trading over the last week with Cece, I'm nervous, but I've got like a system to fall back on. All right. I wanted to be early when we were getting ready to perform so I could have ample time to be extremely nervous.
Tiny Temper had arrived, the crowd was already queuing, and Giles waited nervously for his moment. After everything he'd put in, this performance could make or break his dream.
I'm steady, I'm ready and I'm steady.
Down, any last minute advice before?
Just go out there and have fun, bro.
Yeah,
have fun.
yeah.
You can't really make any mistakes, bro.
Yeah.
I think the way I always see things is this is your opportunity to win fans.
Right.
Yeah, love, brother. Love.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, my guy.
Excited, man.
Yes,
Cool,
my
wicked, man.
guy. All right, brother.
Wicked, man. All good?
This was it. The venue was packed and Tiny Temper was about to take the stage. From meeting Giles on the street to watching him finally go all in with no distractions, everything had led to this moment. To help Giles prepare for the big moment, we gave him a dream brew, with 10% of the profits helping others pursue their dreams.
You ready? Ready, man. All good, man. Ready.
Alright, so at this moment in time, this is the last show as part of this Everywhere at Once tour. I think it'd be nice if I did something quite fun. I want to bring out a special guest for you guys right now. I met him through a gentleman called Simon Squibb.
Welcome to Paragon. Yo, Paragon, where you at, brother? Make some noise. Yeah, guys, do your thing, man. How's everyone feeling tonight? You ready? Let's make some noise. Yeah. Be up. Captain. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Saying,
I got it. I got everything, man.
my
Well
cousin.
done. Well done.
yeah, man, I think they like that, man. I think they like that.
Yes, boss.
I wish you all the best in your career, and I'm here. Any advice you need, any studio time, do you get what I mean? We got you, bro. And just keep going, you know. Anything is possible, bro. Trust me. Love, my guy.
Hi, Simon.
Yo,
Yo.
how are you, man?
I'm great.
The journey you've just gone on, where I guess initially you maybe gave up on the idea and you went and did other stuff. You were meant to do that. It's all
Right.
part of the process, right? But what next? What next for you?
Just gonna put out the rest of the songs I have in mind for July and August and see how it goes.
Good for you, my friend. I'm happy for you, really. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.